Third year English, lecture number 52, topic The Happy Prince, chapter number 6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, 30 class? I hope you will be fine, beta, and I hope that may Allah keep you safe and healthy forever. Ameen summa ameen. Students, welcome to my class, and let's start our today's lecture. As you know that beta, in previous lecture we took a start of this fairy tale. Although I also told you that although this is a fairy tale written by Oscar Wilde, but beta, this story cannot be separated from the surrounding realities of the Victorian age. The author, in a very beautiful manner and through the statue of Happy Prince and Swallow, okay, he brings forth the problems of his age. And what were the problems, beta? The problems were poverty, hypocrisy and exploitation. And he also comments on the shattering privileges and art for the sake of its purity. So beta, we get the idea that we get this idea from the story that how the statue of Happy Prince was looking all these miseries through the top of the city, and after his death now he was able to look into the miseries of his people. Okay beta, so let's start. Its ridiculous attachment twittered the other swallows. She has no money and far too many relations, and indeed the river was quite full of reeds. Then when the autumn came, they all flew away. Okay beta, these are the words, or you can say words of swallow. As you know that birds can't speak, they just chirp and they make some sounds. But as you know that this is a fairy tale, and the story develops and comes to its end with the dialogues of both these characters. Okay, so the swallow, all his, you can say, fellows, they had flown away, and he just stayed there because he was in love with a plant whose name was reed. And now he's saying that it is ridiculous, it is laughable attachment. Okay, tweeted the other swallows. ट्विटर में छिड़प, दूसरे जो स्वेलर्स थे बेटा वो कहते या चहचहाते कि ये तो बड़ी लॉफेबल से अटैचमेंट है तुम्हारी उसके साथ, ना तो उसके पास पैसा है, ना उसके पास इतने सारे रिलेशंस हैं. एंड इंडीड द रिवर वाज क्वाइट फुल ऑफ रीड्स. इसके अलावा रिवर में बेटा बहुत सारे रीड्स भी हैं और भी बहुत सारे पौधे हैं. देन व्हेन द ऑटम केम दे ऑल फ्ली अवे. फिर जब बेटा ऑटम का महीना आया खिज़ां का, वो सारे उसको छोड़ के चले गए. ठीक है. आफ्टर दे हैड गॉन ही फेल्ट लोनली एंड बिगेन टू टायर ऑफ हिज लेडी लव. ठीक है बेटा, कहते कि जब वो चला गया, जब सारे उसके फ्रेंड्स चले गए, तो जो है वो ही स्टार्टेड फीलिंग लोनली बिकॉज यू नो दैट बर्ड्स दे लिव इन ग्रुप्स. So after their departure, he left alone and he began to tire. Tire mean he started getting rid of, he getting worried in the company of his lady love. Okay, he has no conversation. He said, and I am afraid that she is a coquette, for she is always flirting with the wind. Okay, beta. Of course, he was the plant, and how would he talk? It was the mistake of swallow that he was in love with that plant. So, beta. Now he is saying that she has no conversation, and I am afraid that she is coquette. Coquette means flirt. That she is flirting. She is always flirting with the wind. Of course, when the wind blows, the plants moves, they rotates, and they enjoy the wind. So he is saying that she is flirting. Okay. So, and certainly, whenever the wind blew, the reed made the most graceful courtesies. ठीक है, जब हवा चलती तो बहुत जो है वो झूमती या बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जो है वो बिहेव करती. दिस वॉज द थिंकिंग ऑफ स्वॉलो. सो आई एडमिट दैट शी इज़ डोमेस्टिक, ही कंटिन्यूड, बट आई लव ट्रैवलिंग एंड माई वाइफ कॉन्सिक्वेंटली शुड लव ट्रैवलिंग ऑल्सो. सो बेटा, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी फनी थिंग दैट ही वॉन्ट्स टू मैरी द रीड. Swallow, he wants to marry reed because he likes the plant. So he said that I love traveling, mean to say I flew, so my wife, my partner, he would also flew, he would also love to travel, but it was not possible with the reed. Okay beta, will you come away with me, he said finally to her. But the reed shook her head. She was so attached to her home. कहते अब उसने swallow ने उससे पूछा that will you come with me? So but the reed, they were, as you know that they are buried in the earth, so how could she fly? So she shook her head. She was so attached to her home. You have been trifling with me. Trifling mean unimportant, mean to say कि तुम मेरे लिए अब किसी जो है वो unimportant होगी मेरे लिए. He cried, I am off to the pyramids. Now say that I am going to the pyramids, goodbye, and he flew away. Pyramids mean जो एहराम मिस्र जो है वो आपको पता है कौन शेप जो टूम बने होते हैं, ठीक है ना, मिस्र में, इजिप्ट में. So he said that I will fly towards them. Okay, goodbye, and he flew away. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. सारा दिन बेटा वो उड़ता रहा, and then at night he arrived in a city. Where shall I put up? Put up means stay. Where shall I stay? Where shall I live? He said, I hope the town has made preparations. मुझे उम्मीद है कि टाउन ने मेरे लिए जो है वो preparations की होंगी, ठीक है. This was his thinking. Then he saw the statue on a tall column. I will put up there, he cried. फिर बेटा एक स्टैचू देखता है टॉल कॉलम पे. देन ही डिसाइडेड दैट आई वुड स्टे देयर, ठीक है. इट्स in a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Okay beta, now he reached to the statue of the happy prince and he alighted. Alighted means get down या dismount. वहाँ पे उतरता है happy prince के पाँव में, and he said that he would stay there. Okay, I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked round, and he prepared to go to sleep. अब कहता है कि मेरा तो क्या golden bedroom है, because the body of the statue, it was you can say decorated with gold leaves. So he said that I have a golden bedroom, and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. ठीक है बेटा, कहते हैं जैसे ही उसने अपना सर उसके कदमों में रखा तो क्या हुआ, अ लार्ज ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर फेल ऑन हिम. उसके ऊपर जो है वो एक बड़ा सा जो पानी का कतरा है वो गिरा. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. No, he said that, what is curious thing? Curious means it is very strange. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The sky is quite clear and it is raining. It's very strange thing. The climate in the north of Europe is really dreadful. इसी ने the climate जो है वो उसमें it is very dreadful, बहुत ही fearful है, बहुत ही dangerous है. The reed used to like the rain, but that was merely her selfishness. Okay, he is also remembering reed. He says that she liked the rain, but it was her selfishness. Then another drop fell. फिर एक और पानी का कतरा गिरता है. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? कहते फिर स्टैचू का क्या मकसद है अगर ये बारिश को नहीं रोक सकता. He said, I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. कहते मुझे तो और कोई चिमनी पॉट ढूंढ लेनी चाहिए. चिमनी पॉट मीन बेटा मेटल pipe, ठीक है, at the top of a chimney. So he said that I should look for a chimney pot, and he decided to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw, oh, what did he see? लेकिन बेटा जैसे तीसरा पानी का कतरा गिरता है तो वो ऊपर की तरफ देखता है, and he got upset that what did he see? The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. So beta he was surprised to see that the eyes of the happy prince, they were filled with tears. Tears were in the eyes of happy prince, and they were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. उसका फेस कहता it was so beautiful in the moonlight. Moonlight चांद की रोशनी जो होती है ना, कहता कि चांद की रोशनी में his face was so looking was very beautiful, and looking at him, little swallow, his heart was filled with pity. उसका दिल जो है वो दर्द से भर गया. Okay बेटा, it's enough for today. And beta, what will you do? You have to read the text again and again and just learn the similar meanings as well. And your reading of text is very much important as according to the paper point of view beta, because questions are asked from your text to be answered in your examination hall. Okay beta, is enough for today, and I hope that you have well understood. Till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.